dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you guys a really gorgeous unit from Asteria hair. I always highly talk about Asteria hair, so I'm so happy to be showing you guys another unit from them. So let's get started. Of course, I like to show you guys my unboxing. So this is the hair here, super gorgeous and long. Oh my goodness, this is 26 inches long and the lace is HD. I can already tell it's really pretty in the plastic. So let me just show you guys what I received. A comb for the baby hairs, a band for the lace, HD wig cap, and some lashes. I also received this pretty blue dust bag. I love the color. I always tell you guys to store your wigs in here when you're done. The star of the show. This is 26 inches long. The lace, oh my goodness, like let's get into it. Do you guys see it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The knots are pre-bleached. I love the knots because they're very tiny, so it looks very realistic. And get into the texture. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, so pretty. You guys see the texture? Do you get into it? Get into it, get into it, get into it. It comes ready for me in the middle part. Like I said, it is pre-plucked. I'm going to take this off so you guys can get a good view of it. And then as you guys can see behind my hand, skin to skin to the lace is melting. This is literally behind my hand, so you guys can see how good that is melting through. It just blends so well. Like I said, this is a HD lace. So it's like, baby, it's ready for me. I like... It's not going to be much that I need to do. It's ready for me. So I love that. Y'all know I hate plucking. Tweets, the plucking just takes so much time. Doing your hair already takes a lot of time. So to alleviate some time. This is my girl right here. This is what I like. You do get a lot of room of lace, as you guys can see. There's a lot of versatility that you can do. It comes with this nice band here that you can adjust. It comes with the adjustable straps in the back that you also can adjust for your liking. And it has combs on the side of the unit too as well. So this is the construction of the unit. I like the lace because it's thin. I feel like the thinner the lace, the more that it can melt down and just really melt with you with your skin. So I like that a lot.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart. Like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go.
I have music playing, but I need to pause it real quick because like look how flat this hair is. Like, it looks already done, even though the lace needs to be cut. But baby, are y'all really getting into it the way I'm into it? Like, look how pretty this is. The texture is giving what it needs to give. Oh my goodness, look at the lace. Look how pretty blended that is, and look how it's perfectly plugs. The hairline is flat. We love a really good flat hairline. The wig is flat too, as you guys can see. There's no bulkiness. Okay, really what I have to do is just cut the extra lace so that it can fit comfortably ear to ear.
Most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight. Cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting...
I had to check to see if this was a glueless wig. This is not a glueless wig, but it's literally laying down flat like it is. That's no glue. This is just it's just laid down. Now the sides, of course, you can see a little bit more pulling up, but baby, look at that. Look at that. Do you see it? Do you see it? No, you don't. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so amazed. This looks so good. So what I'm going to do is, because of it laying down so well, I'm going to use just my holding spray. And usually I just use this spray on my glueless wigs because they are glueless and you just need a little touch to it. This is not adhesive spray. This is not adhesive glue. This is just holding spray. This right here will be your go-to for wigs that lay down as flat as this.
The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
Damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong.
So this is the final product. Looks really good. I have some mousse, olive oil moisture mousse. I can only use that one. I'm gonna use this BB mousse, just a little bit of it. I don't want to use nothing on the hair because I just love the natural state that it's in. Not saying that if I use product it's not gonna give me the natural texture or whatever, but I just don't want to give it a wet look. But I do want to show you guys that you can put product in it. That is my main reason of wanting to do this. And just putting a little bit in on top of the wig just to mold it. Just putting some throughout the hair. I'm not using too much of this because I don't want to use too much. I do feel like you can use water on this hair or anything to like intensify the curls, some curling milk or like, you know, products like that to help intensify the curls and things like that. I do feel like you can wet the hair, so if you go on vacation this will be definitely water friendly. Okay, because it's gonna stay curly. And when it dries, it's just going to be even more beautiful. So I'm just putting a little bit of the product on it. And just like that, I am done with the hair. Just like that, the hair is done. And the lace is laid. Like, the lace is really great quality. The hair is really good quality too as well. I did finger comb it, so while I was finger combing it, it wasn't giving me no type of shedding. Only shedding that I got was from cutting the lace, and that's normal, you know. But other than that, it's not a matte wig. It's not matted. The curls are really pretty. Giving a goddess look. You guys can see there's no tangles. I love the curl pattern. It's like the perfect curl pattern. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. It's like perfect. Like, that's all I can really say. And this is a lot of hair. And you would think because of it being such a full wig, it may feel heavy, but it doesn't feel heavy. It's super lightweight. Those are my final thoughts. I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video. Everything will be linked down below, down to the details and the direct link. If there is a discount code, I will have it for you, baby dolls. So don't miss out on this beautiful hair for the rest of the summer and just in general. It's so quick and easy to install. And of course, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.